Good morning. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection with our 1965 El Camino. She slept in the garage last night and I thought I would do a little cold start video and demonstration of the exhaust. I really like the exhaust note on this car. Starting procedure, pretty easy. I just give it a pump and then it starts right up. I do let it warm up for a minute or two. I do let it warm up for a minute or two before I do any revving. But it doesn't smoke. Sounds really throaty. Dual exhaust is just really great on these. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear, but it's just a great exhaust note. There you go, guys. Thanks again.